Oh my gosh. All I have to say is, here comes the money. Look at that, baby. Dow's up 1.5% today. Obviously, right before end of market right now. This latest update here, which is 3 p.m. Eastern, 1 hour before market close, the Dow is rocking it today. So let's just talk about what's going on. I also want to point out, it's a good day when Uber stock's up. That's a good day. Up to 2%. Okay, Uber's been beat down like no other lately, and when it's up, let's just be honest, we're taking it. Beaten up. Alright, so what's going on here? So what's causing this rise? Well, obviously, as mentioned previously, anything involving trade. It's going to send the market screaming either up or down. That's just kind of the market we're living in right now. And we heard positive news because there's going to be more intense meetings starting next month, early next month. And obviously, that honestly incites a lot of excitement because if we get a trade deal done, it's going to be fantastic. We can stop worrying about all of this trade war nonsense. So if we get a deal done, that's going to be great. But I'm just going to throw it out there. If nothing happens and we walk away with no deal, yikes. Just be ready for some deals. There's going to be some stocks that are going to be on special. That's all I'm going to tell you. So today, kind of a different new style here. We're going to go ahead and look at a couple of the headlines here. Anything that I find that might be relevant, we're going to go ahead and look at. Starting off, first news story of the day. I was up this early. Yes, in fact, I was up at 2 a.m. this morning. That's when I woke up, so I got this lovely alert that Target is demanding that their suppliers are going to be paying for the tariff costs as opposed to Target. So as opposed to Target having to raise their prices of products, oh yeah, I don't want them to raise prices of products, let's be honest. Target's demanding that their suppliers do it. As far as how that's going to go, it's kind of hard to say because the suppliers can do what they want. I don't think they're necessarily going to be the ones that want to eat that cost on those tariffs. Then again, they are the suppliers, so Target's got a lot of pull, so I'm just excited for that. If we could do that and I can still buy some nice discounted products at Target, I'm happy. Executive pay problems at Nissan. My gosh. CEO admitted to being overpaid. That's not a shocker. A lot of these CEOs nowadays just get paid so much money. Not like they don't earn it, but still. I mean, the guy has now apologized and returned improperly paid funds. How's he going to do that? It's debatable. I don't know if there's any way we're actually going to see that. Mastercard begins halting card service in Venezuela, cutting off credit card service after U.S. sanctions. So that's perfectly fine. Venezuela is a garbage fire right now, so it's honestly better for Mastercard to do it because they're going to lose a lot of money. These people aren't going to be paying their credit card debts. Well, we love talking about recessions here. Risk of recession rises in Germany. Germany factory orders fell 2.7% in July. So they have a huge industrial slump right now in Germany. What happens if Germany goes into recession? I don't know. I don't own any German stocks, so I think I'm fine. New York City, wow, they're suing T-Mobile, which is a company I own, so it's pretty rude, but accusing the company of engaging in rampant sales abuse. Wow. I don't know about that as far as the Metro is concerned. I don't play around with Metro ever since T-Mobile. I didn't play around with them at all, but T-Mobile purchasing them is something. 2,200 violations by T-Mobile. Well, who knows? We'll see how that goes. That's going to be something interesting to look at. I don't know what Livongo Health is, so we're going to skip Livongo Health. Don't have a clue what a Livongo Health is. But I also don't know what a... I don't know why. It's probably... There's no way it's Bit Auto, right? I don't know, but yikes. What a quarter. Holy crap. That's a fantastic quarter. Bit Auto. I was going to say Bituado. I don't know why I wanted to say that, but that's fantastic, honestly. So whoever owns Bituado, I'm sure they're rocking it. It makes me curious. Time to look it up. Oh no. Sorry guys, didn't mean to. 12% up. Woo, baby. Chinese company. Of course it's Chinese. Right to left. I'm reading. Okay. Let's move on to something more exciting. G3 apparel. Don't know much about G3 apparel. Sienna. Stock I previously owned. Wow. Should have been continuing to own it. Let's see where these shares are trading now. Just to give you a little... They're down on the day. What? I find that pretty crazy. So when I owned Sienna shares, they were somewhere around $29 to the $30 range. So obviously missed out on some money there. I don't always track the stocks that I had sold out of, but I still sold for a profit. So I'm gonna say we're taking it. Obviously, a couple of these earnings. Morgan Stanley reinstates coverage on GE, equal weight with a price target of $10, 14% upside. I hate analysts. I say it every time. I don't care about your Morgan Stanley. You can do whatever you want. But I don't care. So let's forget about them. GE is a garbage fire, so you want to stay out of GE. We're looking for another good-looking thing. Kia Motors. Unit sales rose 12.7%. Wow. 45% rise in the Kia Forte? That's pretty crazy. Year to date, up 4%, 4.6%. Honestly, that's pretty exciting news right there. I didn't know the Forte was selling that well, so that's why it's good to look at these news tabs. You just find out a bunch of random things that are important to you. You never know when you might need to know these things. And I know I certainly need to know these things. Match.com or Match Group. You gotta know you're looking for an intimate partner. Go on Match. Clearly, because they've been lifted to a buy now. You got that right. $106 a share is the price target. Oh, I'm just saying. Not only can you find an intimate lover when you're using Match, if you own the stock, you can also be rich, apparently. It's pretty exciting. Oh, Activision here, upgraded ahead of Overwatch Switch launch. They're launching Overwatch on Switch platform. Obviously, that's going to bring a lot new people involved. People that already own the game, or let's just be honest, they're diehard. A lot of people are diehard, and they're going to purchase the game again just so they can play it on Switch. So, hey, I'll take it. I'm an owner of Activision stock, so the more you buy it, I'm happy. Tyson invests in plant-based shellfish startup. Plant-based shellfish? Shrimp alternative. Ready for service operation early 2020. That sounds disgusting. New Wave Foods. Tyson, stick to the chicken, man. Just make me some of those boneless chicken wings. Tyson, you make some good ones. You make some good frozen chicken. I ain't playing around with that. So, what else do we got here that's looking good? Duluth Trading CEO jumps to Under Armour. That's exciting. Hyundai sales up 12%. Wow. Tucson up 23%. Kona 34%. Ionic 51%. heard of that. Ionic. That's interesting. I own a Hyundai, but I gotta look up this Ionic now. What is it? Hybrid? No, electric? What? It's electric. That's pretty dope. Might be looking at this. I love my Hyundai. I'll tell you that right now. So, year to date, Hyundai sales are increased 4.3% as well. A little bit weird, but that's fine. That's pretty awesome. So that's pretty exciting. We're gonna say car sales looking good. Makes me feel happy. I don't own any of the stocks of these car companies that were mentioned previously, so forget about that. Papa John's? What? Tell me what this price target is. Price target of $57 a share? That's pretty exciting. Papa John's upgraded. Everyone loves when Papa's in the house. I mean, I personally don't, but I mean, that's fine. You can get whatever pizza you want. It's up to you. Porsche reports 13%, 0.5. That is pretty crazy. So the Porsche 911 sales fell 56%. 718 sales. The Cayenne Pepper sales. Panama sales decreased. But look at these Cayenne Pepper sales. People are digging that Cayenne Pepper. I put it on a lot of things. Macon, Georgia, sales were down. But year to date, Porsche sales up 6.2%. It's pretty exciting. How was I supposed to know about that? I don't know. So we're going to go ahead and look. Why not? I don't know what Helmerich and Payne are, but obviously it is pretty exciting. 71 cents per share. Yield of 7.6%. What? I love that. That's a juicy yield right there. That makes me excited, but we're going to skip over it. Again, just looking at these headlines, you see all the good things that's going on today. Planet. We're not going too far ahead. Let's go back down. We want to see. Motorola. Obviously, we aren't playing around with Motorola. No one owns Motorola anymore. If you do, I mean, I'm sorry. Trans Entrix price. Stock offering. Bad. You don't want to mess around with that stuff. You don't want to devalue shares like that, but yes, you do. Another Target news. Target gets 2 news stories today. More attractive for. They seem to want to increase their shoppers that make more than $100,000 annually. Well, that's exciting. I'm pretty excited about that. I wish I made $100,000, but I don't. I would shop there if I still made $100,000 though. Probably, maybe. Maybe. Superior Plus Canadian dollar, 6 cents Canadian. It's like 0 cents American. It's not 0 cents. I was just kidding. Stocks rally at open as trade meeting set. Early October. We know about this, but can we go ahead and give me an actual date if you're telling me there's going to be an actual date? BMW sales rise 7.2%. What? That's pretty crazy. Hey, is an important one to look at. July factory orders up. That's right, 1.4%. So, needless to say, rising economy, baby. Get that recession out of here. No time soon. You already know it. That's pretty cool. BMW rising sales. A lot of car sales increase. Obviously, passenger cars, not so much, but America, let me tell you, they love their trucks. We love selling trucks. I wish it gave me some key models here, but North America sales increased, and a lot of this seems like it was due to trucks. We love our trucks, and we love our SUVs. Church and Dwight Schrute, spruce tree warning. I don't know about that, but Meredith minus 20, down 27%. in early trading. Wow. That is pretty wild. So it acquired time, incorporated, lower profit naturally because they spent a lot of money on that. Wow. And debt grew. What a shocker. When you buy a company, you might pay debt. Volkswagen sales increased 9.8% too. This is a good sign. I mean, that's a good sign. The fact that consumers are that confident they're buying vehicles, come on, this recession's got nothing on us. And you already know it. Dun, dun, dun. Huge upside seen for Walmart from who? Okay. So what kind of upside you seeing here? With the international phone P, I don't know. Our base case, I was gonna say bear case, 120 base case for $125 a share. Bull case, $165 a share. Oh my gosh. Good golly, I would love that. I would love if I got to $165 a share. Good golly. Netflix, piece of garbage stock. I wouldn't mess anything with it. Obviously, subscriber growth is trailing. They reported last quarter it's going to continue. We got a lot of other players in the market right now. Once Disney gets going, Netflix is going to be garbage. Stay away from there. Obviously, once they pull all that too, Verizon, lovely dividend. Verizon's always paying dividends, so just increased it. I love a nice increase in dividend. Apple testing in-display finger IDs. Wow, that's pretty cool. Department of Justice sues Novelis. Well, the Department of Justice can do what they want. Stable coins. I don't want to mess with stable coins. Planet Fitness caps off teenager initiative. 900,000 teens signed up for its National Teen Summer Challenge initiative and logged 5.5 million workouts. I hate to say it, I wasn't one of them. $500 scouted to 51 teenagers, and one teen will receive $5,000 grand prize. I wasn't one of those people, in case you were curious. I'm just saying, I am not a guy for Planet Fitness myself. I've been there. I used to have a membership there. And here we go with this hot Facebook news, something that's going to be very good for them in the future. Facebook launched dating feature. Wow. It's launched today? That's insane. As we mentioned Match before, Match is going to get beat down. Oh, look, Match got beat down. Obviously, it's turned negative because Facebook has a lot more users, and I think it's going to be very good for Facebook. That's going to be crazy. Do I have anything else? I think I am set as far as this news is concerned. I think I have one more page for you, actually. Oh, you know I've got one more page. I hope you're excited. We're going to find something good. Auto names soar because they just don't stop selling so many vehicles. Let's see what percentages we're up. Adient, Tenneco, Tata. Okay, I don't want to say that one again. Sorry. I apologize for that one. Neo up. You already know Neo is up. General Motors up. Fiat Chrysler up. Meritor. Wow. I mean, this is good. These people just are growing sales like nothing. I love it. Post-Labor Day rally. We already know it. That's why we're talking about this, because we're making so much money. We're making so much money today. It's insane. I love making money. And today's the day we're making money. Five Below, a must-own stock. Wouldn't be surprised. I think it's a very hot stock right now, and it's been up insane. A 152 price target. Okay, that's a little absurd, but that's fine. I completely get it. We got to end on a nice, very important story. Just so you know, Campbell Soup. They set a soup marketing strategy. Chunky Mama's Boy. Chunky Mama's Boy. Sorry. Chunky Mama's Boy? Dak Prescott? The guy's trying to get $40 million a year in the league, which he doesn't deserve. But he's gonna be getting $40 million a year just to do this chunky boy. What the heck is that? That's gross. Get that chunky boy out of my shelf. Oh, I gotta go.